Hey guys! Today we bring you review of Ogio Renegade RSS backpack, an almost perfect gadget safe haven. A good bag is just about as important as the gadgets it carries. Your electronics are fragile and expensive to replace, and your back is fragile and impossible to replace. Ogio's Renegade RSS bag is damn near as good as it gets at protecting both. People who carry laptops and other electronics with them on the daily and need lots of space. Black bag with standout red lining. It has a crush-proof compartment for an up to 17-inch laptop, a padded pocket for a tablet or a reader, a cushy camera compartment, a storage panel, and 3 zippered side pockets. Renegade RSS is a super comfortable bag with ergonomic shoulder straps. Carrying a ton of crap. It won't actually feel like it because the back panel is cushioned and the straps are soft. The crush-proof compartment for your valuables on top. It's basically a built-in sunglasses case. You can't unzip the laptop compartment all the way, which is fine for smaller, thinner laptops, but is annoying in terms of access if you're working with a beast of a 17-inch MacBook Pro or something. Renegade RSS is a lot of comfortable, well-protected real estate for not a lot of money. However, it's not a backpack that everyone needs. If you just want something to throw a book and a pair of running shoes in and you're more concerned with style, you don't want this bag. If you're often on the go, and you carry your laptop and maybe a camera and a tablet every day, you do. Avoiding adult-onset scoliosis and keeping your computer safe. What more do you need in life? Let us know what you think about the Ogio Renegade RSS backpack in the comments below. If you like it, so grab it now. Link in the description. If you buy from our provided link, you will get an extra discount. Go and get it.